Kikhubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app na ka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabenta ke Jingphah nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, new scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital Baje do India but shabari. Na benta ke Jingphah ka jingseo ka baret but hila ban legu ban pulie da ka education loan. Hila ruban syukola hu number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu license, ar riu khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit ha benar kam daka Oswell soup hilaban yo na barok ki Dukan. Menteri rang ba ka jalau konrat ki sangma ha ka khatlai tri unai tung arasan arphulai uloong ba ka jing penjari jong ka deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills district daka section 144 CRPC ban pha Khang ye ki Dukan nadu ka Baje Baje Mynmiet ha barok ka we ka sor shillong ka de ki Jingkhmih minia jong ki bor Synshar district ya ka jinglong jingman jong ki jingja ba pher ki balaja ha ka nong ba shillong ha ki ni ki khindiat sngi bar ki khindiat tayaw bala letno ha ka jinga krem igla pathai khubor menteri rang ba lai thu ba uba president tensang uba longru usumbut menteri rang ba jong ka sarkar jala uba petru ya ka tanat kampo yeng unsa khot ya ka high level meeting man khmi minia ha ka baya dei ba ka jinglong jingman jong ka shongsuk chongsan ha ka ni ka nong ba shillong.
For a 10 billion economy, it's not the right way to look at it. You'll have to understand how economy works to be able to understand how to reach 10 billion. So these two incidents and these two goals or these two actions are not necessarily equally correlated. Yes, it's a matter of concern and definitely we'll look into it. But just by ensuring that the shops are open for after 10 will ensure a $10 billion economy is, I don't think, the correct way to look at it. And if by opening more than 10 o'clock a shop, we would reach $10 billion economy, then I would allow the shops to be open till 3 o'clock also. But it doesn't work that way. So that analogy is completely wrong and incorrect. And there's more details to how a $10 billion economy grows. Economy is dependent on government spending, is on the investments made by private sector, on a different kind of consumption that takes place. So there are many factors that are there, and all those other factors are very important. But having said that, of course, this issue of this 10 o'clock thing is a concern, and the administration, in its wisdom at that point in time, had seen all the situation that occurred, and they decided. And now government has asked, we have been asked, and we are going to call a meeting. I am told I have not been able to go to the office because I came straight for this conference. That Deputy CM will be taking a meeting today. So we'll wait for the outcome of that meeting. But of course, we will examine the entire aspect and see how we could balance the whole thing out. But law and order is important, and we cannot compromise on that.